The 17 most amazing gadgets you can buy on the internet and Amazon. Did you know that the global online retail giant Amazon offers over 12 million different products for sale? That's like trying to count all the stars in the sky. And trust me, amidst the galaxy of goodies, we've plucked out the absolute cream of the crop to showcase for you today. We'll talk about the kind of tech that'll have you saying, wait, I can buy that on the internet? So let's dive in. Number 1. Etekcity Digital Hanging Luggage Scale, your ultimate travel sidekick. With its high-accuracy sensor and sleek design, this scale lets you weigh your luggage up to 110 pounds. Plus, it doubles as a temperature gauge. Easy to use and pocket-sized, it's a must-have for any adventure seeker. So say goodbye to overweight fees and hello to stress-free travels. Number 2. Nest Learning Thermostat. It's time to upgrade your home's IQ with this device. It doesn't just keep your space cozy, it's like a personal climate concierge. It learns your schedule, adjusts when you're away, and even monitors your HVAC system for any hiccups. Plus, with its sleek design and easy installation, it's the perfect blend of brains and beauty. So no more wasted energy and high bills. Number 3. GermGuardian Air Purifier. Bye-bye to airborne nasties. This powerhouse purifier tackles germs, allergens, and odors like a champ, thanks to its true HEPA filtration and UVC light technology. From dust and pollen to pet dander and mold spores, it captures it all, leaving your air clean and fresh. Plus, with its quiet operation and sleek design, it's the perfect addition to every room, ensuring you breathe easy day and night. Number 4. Grypmat Non-Slip Tool Mat. Born from the experience of a U.S. Air Force veteran, this revolutionary tool mat revolutionizes your workspace. With its bright green color and unbeatable grip, it keeps your tools organized and secure, even at a 70-degree angle. Heat and chemical resistant, it's built tough to handle any job. It's your new best friend in the garage or workshop. Number 5. Nite's Rubber Twist Tie, the ultimate reusable solution for all your organizing needs. With a tough rubber exterior and bendable wire interior, these twist ties are endlessly reusable and perfect for bundling cords, headphones, and more. Say goodbye to single-use ties. Nite's gear ties can be used over and over again, both indoors and out. To get organized with durability and versatility, grab your gear ties today. Number 6. Rinseroo Slip-On Showerhead Attachment. Transform your shower into a versatile cleaning powerhouse with this attachment hose. This handheld hose attaches in seconds to most shower heads, making it perfect for filling buckets, bathing pets, or even washing your car. Plus, with its 6-foot universal fit hose and durable rubber connectors, it's ready for any task. Number 7. Scrigit Scraper Too, the ultimate multi-use tool to save your nails and simplify your life. From scraping off dried-on food to removing stubborn labels and stickers, this handy gadget does it all. With its dual-sided design and compact size, it's perfect for tackling both flat and curved surfaces, whether at home, in the car, or at the office. Made in the USA from durable BPA-free plastic, it's a must-have addition to your cleaning arsenal. Get yours today and say goodbye to nail-biting tasks. Number 8. Prynt Pocket Instant Photo Printer for iPhone. Transform your phone into an instant camera. Print photos from your iPhone or take new ones, all from the palm of your hand. With its easy-to-remove paper cartridge and quick printing speed, you'll have your memories in hand in just 30 seconds. Plus, with the Prynt app, you can even add videos to your photos and watch them come to life. Number 9. Peak Design Everyday Sling Bag. The ultimate bag for adventurers and urban explorers alike. With its quick adjusting padded shoulder strap, reversible design, and one-handed quick pull adjustment, it's ready to adapt to any adventure. Plus, with 2 included flex fold dividers and ultra-zip external zippers, it offers customizable organization and durability that lasts a lifetime. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or navigating city streets, the everyday sling has your back, literally. But hold up, techies. Before we move on, let's spice things up. Drop the weirdest gadget you've ever seen in the comments below. Whether it's a talking toaster or a dancing vacuum, share your tech tales with us. Let's keep this party weird and wonderful. Number 10. Matador Pocket Blanket. Time to elevate your outdoor game. Compact and durable, it unfolds to a generous 63 by 44 inches, perfect for family getaways. Integrated stakes and corner sand pockets keep it secure on breezy days, while the Easy Pack pattern makes folding a breeze. Made from premium ripstop fabric with a waterproof coating, it's ready for any adventure, picnics, beach trips, concerts, you name it. Number 11. Surge Protector. Power up your electronics with the GE 6-outlet Surge Protector. With 6 grounded outlets, it's perfect for creating a centralized hub at home, the office, or your garage. The extra long 10-foot cord and space-saving flat plug make it super versatile, while the 800 joules protection rating keeps your devices safe from voltage spikes. Plus, twist-to-close safety outlets and easy mounting options ensure hassle-free use. Number 12. Bamboo Charging Station and Desk Organizer. The eco-friendly bamboo stand holds up to 6 devices simultaneously, keeping your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and more in perfect order. With its magnetic base and wide compartment for hiding cables, it's as stylish as it is functional. Perfect for home, office, or anywhere you need to keep your devices neat and tidy. Plus, with its natural bamboo construction, it's a gift both you and the environment will love. Number 13. Gourmia Electric Spiralizer and Slicer. This kitchen essential lets you swap traditional pasta and potatoes for nutritious veggie alternatives. From zucchini zoodles to sweet potato spirals, the possibilities are endless. With its large capacity prep bowl, you can create mess-free meals effortlessly. Plus, it's perfect for disguising veggies into kid-friendly meals. They won't even know they're eating their greens. Save money and space with this easy-to-use Spiralizer, your new kitchen superhero. Number 14. NapAnywhere Portable Head Support Pillow. Travel in comfort and style with the Head Support Travel Pillow. This innovative pillow redefines travel comfort with its sleek and portable design. Whether you're on a plane, train, or automobile, it provides the perfect head support for a restful journey. Plus, its lightweight construction and compact dimensions make it easy to pack and carry anywhere. Number 15. Quirky Pluck Egg Separator. This handy gadget makes separating egg yolks a breeze. Simply place it over the yolk, give it a gentle squeeze, and watch as the yolk is sucked up into the chamber. Perfect for fitness fanatics and health-conscious cooks who prefer egg white options. With its flexible design and easy cleanup, it's a must-have tool for any kitchen. Number 16. Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller. Tailoring watering schedules to your yard's needs ensures lush landscapes while saving on water bills. No extra fees, just smart watering tech at your fingertips. With patented weather intelligence, it skips unnecessary watering based on real-time conditions. Manage it all from your phone with the user-friendly app and enjoy DIY installation in under 30 minutes. Number 17. Zojirushi Stainless Steel Mug with Tea Leaf Filter. The ultimate travel companion. This sleek mug keeps your beverages hotter or colder for longer thanks to its tight-fitted lid. Plus, it's equipped with a removable tea leaf filter, perfect for loose tea lovers. The stopper disassembles for easy cleaning, while the wide mouth allows for hassle-free use with full-size ice cubes. These gadgets cover a wide range of uses and are sure to impress your audience with their innovation and functionality. If you've got a favorite gadget or a must-have marvel we missed, let us know in the comments below. Share your gadget glee with us. Until next time, stay curious, stay geeky, and stay tech-tastic. Catch you later, Tech Tribe.